I want to eat something sweet, but I don't want to go outside to buy. What should I do? Ah, Mochi Cupcake. Hello, my name is Sanchiro, a food aficionado. Today, I would like to show you how to make a very easy cupcake with only 4 ingredients. So let's go into the kitchen and see how to make Mochi Cupcake.
Here are 4 ingredients that we need: 150 gram of pancake flour, egg, and 100 gram of milk. And then a mochi. We will cut the mochi into 8 pieces. After finished cutting, put into the milk in the bowl and close them with the wrap. Then put into the microwave at 60 watts for 3 minutes. After heating, open the wrap, but be careful that it's very hot. And then we will use the whisk to mix them together until they are uniform. Then put half of the pancake mix into the milk and mochi. After mixing quite well, then we add an egg into it. After mixing the egg, then we will mix the rest of the pancake mix. Put the mixture in the mug only 1/3 in height, because when we heat in the microwave it will swell and float, so we need some space for them to hold the shape. Heat in the microwave for 600 watts for 1 minute and 20 seconds. And here is our cupcake. You can see that it swelled a lot from the cup, and actually in the inside at the bottom there's some air there. The cake is very hot now, so don't touch with your bare hand. And the cake's texture is quite soft but still dense. You can enjoy them with the jam or some sweet things. And the rest you can make pancake. For the pancake, you can just grease the pan with butter and put all the mixture into the pan. Use medium heat and close the lid. I flip them every 3 seconds, so it should be brown quite well on the bottom side. And these are our cakes that made from the same mixture. You can either make a cupcake on the right side and eat with the jam in the previous video, and you can make the pancake to eat with the honey, and it will be sweet and delicious. I hope you can enjoy these things at home with very easy ingredients. And as I really love the strawberry jam that I made by myself, I would like to eat them with the pancake too. So it will be the pancake with the honey and strawberry jam. Let me try some of them. Yummy.
And welcome back to my studio. How was your mochi cupcake? Is it easy to make? The mochi can be bought at any Japanese supermarket nearby your place. So please make use of it. And if you enjoy this video, please comment to let me know. and subscribe to my channel to see the next menu. And see you in the next video.